Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Kia Sportage. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to use the key fob, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Kia Sportage key fob, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Really easy. There are not that many buttons. It's really straightforward, which is why I like it. This is a newer Kia Sportage. At the time of me filming this, it is for the most part, I don't want to say brand new, but it's basically brand new. So at the time of me filming this, this is basically the key fob that we're looking at right here. Okay, in terms of like the newer Kia Sportage key fobs on the market. So without further ado, there's a couple buttons. Now, typically, I see buttons on the front of a key fob, right? On the sort of the face of it. But for this one, it's actually on the side, which is really cool because it allows you to do it, like hold it like this and use them with your thumb for the most part. So there are a few buttons right here. At the top over here is the lock button right here. So you're going to press this to lock the vehicle. Plain and simple. It shows a locked icon. You're going to press this to lock the vehicle. Right below it, it shows an unlocked icon. You're going to press this to unlock the vehicle. Very simple and straightforward. And right below it, it shows like a little bit of like a horn icon, and it's got a red coloration. This is going to be your alarm, like your sort of like panic alarm. So essentially, if you hold that down, the alarm is going to blare, okay? So very simple. Press this to lock. Press this to unlock, and then you hold this down to blare the alarm. Very simple and straightforward. Those are the buttons that you're mainly going to be using, and really it's lock and unlock, right? These are the two main buttons that you're going to be using. This one, you know, you're probably, very rarely gonna ever have to use. Sometimes you want to locate your vehicle, you're holding that down, listening for the beep. It's a very rarely used thing, but obviously it's good to have there. And then on this side over here, it says hold, and it shows that little icon with like almost like a circle and an arrow, and that is going to be your auto start option. So if you want to auto start the vehicle, you're going to hold that down and you're going to auto start the vehicle. Very simple. Simple and straightforward. You have some simple buttons. Press this to lock, press this to unlock, hold this to make the alarm blare, and hold this to auto start the vehicle. And that's it. That is literally Kia Sportage key fob tutorial. Very simple and straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I have nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.